Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, let's fight for the right to repair by doing these great repairs. So guys, dear YouTubers, we've got a Technics. Technics, you can see them all on the title. What it does, as I said in one of the previous videos, it's blowing the fuse. Yes, blowing fuses or making short circuit or completely now stopped working even. Let's check, because if it's that severe, you can check on this power socket if there is a short. If there is a short, that's mean. Okay, that's DC. That's not connecting because this fell down on the floor. Now it's connecting. No, 1265. So it's not shorted for sure. How can I show you this? Oh, now we see one. So see, it's not shorting to the ground, at least not on a standby. Let's open the patient. So what do we have here? We got our PH2 even will work, so this would work. Yeah. We got 1, 2 screws here and then 4 on the side, which PH2 will do as well. So PH2 for all. 2, 4, 6, and I'll be back. Okay, so we got it. Let's put it aside. Maybe let's close it. And let's try to open it. Oh, why that metal is banded? That's not nice, guys. Usually it's much easier to take it apart. Whereas here it's banded here. Something has don't know if you can see it or not. What it is that it's flat here, and where the sun is, you don't see it, but it's deeper comparing to this side. It's some, you can see the dent, like something is causing the trouble. But okay, it went. You should lift it up. That's it. Avoid power, audio power module. Oh, avoid. I avoid every warranty. So what it is? That's class H plus RSN 3305. But what can we check here? Well, first foremost, we don't have mainboard out. So what we could do is we could check first the power supply. Okay, then I could get either schematics or those audio power module class H plus, those RSN 3305 data sheet. Now what's happening is we can then try and see what the voltage should come to them and what else we should expect out of it. And I'm just curious, without capacitors are looking fine, not fine, but they are looking fine. I would say okay, there's no visual issue here. So the best way would be first to either plug it in or take it apart. because we've got no access to a lot of stuff here. So we've got two lines coming into this amplifier on each side, but I still don't see like okay, the power is here, so power supply is here, and is the fuse. There's one fuse, if you can see or you can't see. Here's one fuse. Is it blown or it's not blown? It's not blown. So we should have power on this. Might not work, but we should have power. Let's try it. Why? Oh. I'll damage my own electronics and then I will be crying and fixing my own stuff. Okay, so standby is on. I mean, I can see the standby. Oh, and I see VCR. Okay, so it's a VCR. Can I change to the tuner, for instance? I can. Cool. And can I get some oomph? Or no oomph for us? Oh! There was some suspicious sound out of it. This is not connecting ideally. Well, it's not the original Panasonic cable, it's just my stuff, so no wonder. You can hear the shh. Okay, where is the antenna? Here. Ground, AM antenna, FM antenna. Here is. Let's use the greatest antenna of all. Okay. Tuner. This is supposed to be a faulty one. Okay. So let us check the other front. Because Google will block me for this music. So if you didn't see any, works fine. Central speaker. And the surround. Okay, so we don't hear the surround. That's fine, but we hear the front. Yes. So guys, this is working. I'm supposed to have a faulty device and I've got nothing to fix at the moment. Now what I can do, I can still download the schematics. I can check how the power is going, because it's been told to me that this before was working and now it's not working, and it was burning speakers. So the question is now, is it still burning speakers? Because if so, that would mean that the capacitors don't work on the output, or somebody was not drinking, guys, not drinking, just volume up too much. Okay. I have my camera here. And I think, okay, it is. It was just on the side. Okay, come on, people can't wait. They need to scroll my videos later, because I've got a mess. So, at the end of the day, there's no fix today. I'll be testing it, and I'll be checking if I'll notice anything suspicious. But the amplifier has only small current on it. Only 30 degrees, guys. So it's no problem, no issue for now. Yes, radiator not even 30. I don't feel any current apart from the wee here on the enclosure. Yeah, guys, no, sorry, it's a waste of our time, but what can you do? What I can do is I can run the DC, an emitter in a DC, and check on each channel if I have any current. No, nothing. Nothing. So if this was burning speakers, that means wrong impedance or too high volume. That could cause that. Yes, that could. Other than that, you see, you don't have to even touch it to have the best antenna ever. I'm not touching. So it's a fix with no fix, a miracle. But to be true, I'll put it back. I'll let customer know that I did try to look for the fault before leaving on holiday, and this one is working. So I don't want to, like, charge extra customer. I don't want to, like, cause problem and so on for the customer more than customer has with it. Yes. So I would say that the best choice right now capacitors are working fine, so they catching the power and they are not letting any volts, you know, outside. Another option, and I don't remember when the last time I've seen it. So yes, well, to be true, that would be a short. Yes, so that was a long time. What I want to say is, in this case, it should be used. That's it. And when customer will observe anything, then they can let me know. But I don't have to sit on it. What I will only do till tomorrow, I won't let customer know. I will be playing some music instead of using my Sony amplifier. I will be playing on this one. Just, you know, just to check if I will observe anything abnormal. Because the temp, yeah, the temp is low, so I can put some load of music and test it. But nothing else we can do about it. Sorry for wasting your time, but at least you see Panasonic, you see how I'm diagnosing things, so you can hopefully get some value out of it. If no, sorry for wasting your time, guys. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.